Gates open, they're up and racing. Love Minstrel, friendly fire. Moving a party outside is General Onay. Then next in line is entry 5A running on the outside. And that's Rapid Minstrel, Wakikoy running in between runners. Moving up by the release core duo. Heading towards the last 800, General Onay in command by about 3 lengths. Running in second is Friendly Fire Core Duo, Love Minstrel, then followed over by Wakikoy. Rapid Minstrel comes next. Rounding at the last 600, General Onay by about 3 lengths. Friendly Fire is in second. Core Duo moving a party outside. Is entry number 9, Wakikoy. Love Minstrel as they swing for home. Friendly Fire now the leader. General Onay is by the rail. Core Duo, Wakikoy. Love Minstrel moving up in between runners with 200 to go. Friendly Fire, Love Minstrel is sorry outside. Wakikoy and Winning Habit with 75 meters more to run. Friendly Fire, Love Minstrel, Winning Habit is sorry outside and leading the finish line. Friendly Fire close. Between Winning Habit and Love Minstrel, then comes Wakikoy Core Duo for your Pentafecta.